So here's my idea. I'm going to take masonry brick, which I have, and lay it across the bottom, turn it sideways, set it here and here, and then put another one on the top. It's going to be 9.5 inches wide, 9 3/8 inches tall. And then I'm going to cut out a 90-degree notch here, and these two and these two, fit it together, and I'll have a hole. Then I will wrap a angle iron frame around it. You can see it here, or this is an angle iron frame here on the side with the brick displayed in the middle. And then this is what it'll look like on the end. I have cut or measured everything, so now I'm going to cut it. It's going to be 9 3/8 inches wide total, 18 1/4 inches long. Here's the angle iron I'm using. It's 1/8 inch thick, 1 inch wide, which means it's 1 inch from here to here and from here to here. And I have everything set up to start cutting 45s. Now remember, ear protection or hearing protection and safety glasses. And I currently have the mat I'm standing on over here is a foam floor mat. And what I gotta do is change the angle it's going to be cut on to 45 degrees, or essentially 90 degrees, the opposite direction. So what I had to do is add a C-clamp back here. And what I did was, on this end, I have, if you see this little burr, I had to go grind that off. So this should be 18 1/4.